Hello, my name is Monse and this is SOYOGA. Today we're going to do a short meditation practice. I'm sitting on the floor, but you don't have to. You can sit on a chair or lie down even. I don't tend to lie down because then I feel very sleepy. And if you're sitting on the floor, like I'm doing, you can sit on a cushion as high as you like to as well. Trying perhaps that the knees are slightly lower than your hips, but the most important thing is that you're comfortable. Okay, so you can cross your legs or whatever you want. We're gonna do a video about how to sit in meditation another day, but today let's just sit in any way that feels comfortable to you. Close your eyes. And then start noticing your breath. Just notice it. You don't need to change it. You don't need to do anything special. You just need to notice. Notice perhaps the inhale and notice the exhale. And perhaps you notice that when you inhale, the air is slightly colder than when you exhale. As it comes in through your nostrils, it's a bit colder, and as you come out, it's been changed, it's been altered, it's warmer. And now start noticing as well, where do you notice it? Where do you notice the breath? Where do you notice it physically? Perhaps you notice it the most in your nostrils. Or perhaps you notice it on your chest, the chest moving up and down. Or perhaps you notice in your belly or on your ribs. Just don't do anything, don't try to change anything, just notice where you notice. Where do you feel is more prominent? Or perhaps it's all over the body. Again, without changing anything, just to start putting your focus on the physical part of the physical place in your body where you feel the breath is more prominent. Perhaps you've already got distracted. Perhaps your mind starts floating away, bringing in some thoughts. It's okay. It's absolutely normal. We're not used to just focus on our breath. So just allow the thoughts to come and then allow them to go. Say goodbye to your thoughts by simply going back to your breath. The only way we stop thinking or focusing on something is by focusing on something else. And in this case, you just focus on that part of your body where you feel the breath. Again, it could be through your nostrils, your chest, your belly. Don't change anything. And if it helps you, perhaps You can even say inhaling, exhaling. As you inhale, just mentally say inhaling. And as you exhale, just mentally say exhaling, if that helps you. You may even notice how the breath is not smooth throughout, and it's normal and it's fine. Sometimes perhaps one inhale is longer than another inhale, or shorter, or faster, or deeper, and that's absolutely fine as well. Your only job is to notice that place that's moving in your body, and perhaps even repeat mentally inhaling and exhaling. And if your mind started wandering again, that's okay. Just come back to your breath. Like an old friend. Oh, look, I'm inhaling again. And I'm exhaling. If you were repeating mentally inhaling and exhaling, you can let it go. Let go of any repetition. Let go of noticing your body, or the breath in your body. Next time you inhale deeply, and then opening your mouth, let go of a sigh. One more time. Inhaling deeply. Not a lot, just deeply down into your lower belly. And then just opening your mouth. Softly let the air go. And open your eyes. And thank you very much. I hope that was useful. I hope that you feel a bit calmer. You can do this at any point during the day for as short or as long as you like to. If you like it, please, please, please let me know in the comments. If you like me to do more meditation videos, let me know. If you like me to do a longer one so you can practice together with me, also let me know. And yes, leave me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Somewhere somewhere here there'll be a round thing with my face, or the big red button. Please subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.